Evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzles in the puzzle page in the weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, June the 15th, June the 16th, 2024. We have here in this puzzle page 6 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. We have two binaries, 10 by 10. We have a Sudoku with 2 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars, and a killer Sudoku. 4 of them, not 6, 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me. Time consuming. And I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. The first one is a 4 star Sudoku. Let me zoom this in. Okay. Alright. First one will be number 8724. Before I start, I always count the print the digits. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 25. Print the digits. Well, usually the 4 stars has 24. This one has 25. Should be a 3 stars. 3 stars puzzle. I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. But it's indicated with 4 stars. 4 stars puzzle. I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Alright. So let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? Two. 2 in this row, 2 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only place level 2 should be there. 2 in this column, last column, 2 in the column next, so in that column, only 2 places level 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2. Cannot continue with the 2 now, need to wait. Wait. Yeah. Still having troubles with my hay fever. Alright. 8, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, third row, middle row. So no 8 in these 3 boxes. 8 in the middle column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. 6, 6, okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the middle column, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this row. 3 of those missing numbers are the 1, the 5, and the 6. We have 1, 5, and a 6 in this big square, so no 1, 5, and a 6 in these 3 boxes. 1, 5, and a 6 goes in these 3 boxes. 1, 5, and a 6. That means the other 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, the 5 and 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9. That means in this big square we have 2 missing numbers, 3, 4, 9. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 and the 4, the 5 and the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8, 7, 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, alright. So we have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 7 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, the only 2 places left for the 7, could be here, could be there. Need an 8 there, okay. means in this column we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Only place level 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next now needs to place level 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, last row, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row only to place level 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this third column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row, so the row between the only two places level 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place level 3 should be here, and I've eliminated here the 6, so the 6 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9, let me mark those 2 boxes, alright. Alright. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. Here can be 5. We have 5 in this column. No 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this row should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 and 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Alright. Well. Ay. We have a pair, the 4 and 8 in the first row, the 4 and 8 in the third row. So the row between second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. And look, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 7 and 8, we have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 and 9, we have a 7 in this column. Last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 3, 4, 9, and look, we have a 4 in one of those 2 boxes and a 9 in the last column. So no 4 and a 9 in this box. 4 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So what is left in this big square for number 3? So we have 3 in the last column, 3 in that column. So the column 3, no, only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in a third row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next to the last column, the only place left 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, and 9 is missing. 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. Alright. 7 is 7 here. Well. Need a 2. 2 in this column. 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first column. 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column. The only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be there. And now, yeah. Yeah. 4, 9, need a 3 here. Need a 3 there. 3 here. 4, 4, 4, 4. Well. 5, 5. And the 5 there. Yes. 2 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in the third row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing, 7 and 9, 7 and the 9, cannot fill this yet. Here also 7 and a 9, we have 7 in the second row, no 7 there, 7 should be here, 9 goes there. 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. Then need a 9 here. Need a 7 here. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and a 7 is missing. 5, 6, 7. And look, we have 5 and a 6 in the third row. No 5 and a 6 in this box. 5 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 7. 7. Need 7. Need 7 here. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in the third column. One of the missing numbers is a 7. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. Here can be 7. We have a 7 in the third row. No 7 there. Here can be 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. And here can be 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. So the only 2 places left are 7 in the third column. Could be here or there. You see another 7 in this row, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. Alright, 1 box left in the third row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in this row, 9 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. Need a 9 here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and 6, 4 and 6. We have 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 4 and 6, we have a 4 now in this row, no 6 there. 4 there. 4 should be here. 6 goes there. 4 and 9, we have a 4 now in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. Then, let me see. 6, 5, and I need a 7 there. 1, 2, need a 3. 3 cannot be here. 1, 3, and 6 is missing. Well, 1, 5, 6, 1, 5, 6, 1. Yeah. 1, 1. 1, 1. Now the 2. 2, the 3. The 3. Yeah, should be the 3. The 4. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column, so in the first column. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 7, so the 7 goes there. 4 and 9, we have 4 now in the middle row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And 1 box left in this row for the man. 1, 2, 3 is missing here. The 3 in the third column, the 3 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. The 1 in the first row, the 1 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in the third column, 1 in the first column, so the column between. The only place left for the 1 should be here, so the other 2 numbers should be the 5 and the 6, I believe. Yeah, 5 and the 6. We have a 5 in the third column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 6 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for the mark. 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. Okay, 6 and the 5. We have 5 now in this row. First row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, 7 goes at there. 60 minutes. Well, not a 4, not the 3. Let me give this a 2 stars. Yeah, 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So we're pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.